Hello, mamas. Oh my goodness. Nap time warriors. Here we go. I am Mama Shira. This is DIY Mama Tribe. This is the place that you come to get the ideas, the DIY, the crafting things that you want to do. Girl, we're doing it while the baby is asleep, because just because you have a baby doesn't mean that you don't want to craft anymore. So my little one is asleep. It is her morning nap time. I have a 9-month-old at this time. Her name is Amelie. I love her to pieces. Today, I'm hoping to give you some ideas, some nursery decor ideas. I'm going to give you a little bit of background first. I have to say that my inspiration for this room is hip hop. Being a child of the 80s and 90s, when hip hop was first coming into the scene, into Black culture and spreading to a whole global culture, and the boys next door were like spinning on their heads on a piece of cardboard. Like, hip hop has such a dear place in my heart, in my childhood. And so that's something that I wanted to pass on to my baby. I just want to show that you can choose any theme that you like, and it doesn't have to be a gender-based theme. It also doesn't have to be, you know, animals or any of the typical things that we choose for a baby's nursery. You can choose whatever you like, whatever's important to you. So for me, that was hip hop culture, like what hip hop culture started as. And a lot of people accept it as like DJing, MCing, graffiti, and breakdancing. That is like the little bubble of hip hop. Let's get into it. I hope that you are able to glean something from this tour, and not just the fact that like, oh my goodness, she did a hip hop nursery for her baby, but that you're able to take the theme that you like and just grab little pieces like, oh, okay, this is how I can freak it my way. Because that's what it's all about, mamas. We just in this tribe trying to help each other, okay? So please, if you have other ideas, or if you have questions about how you would like to take a theme and make it a nursery, hit me up in the comments below. Hit up other people in the comments below. Like, this is a tribe. I want you guys to really like take advantage of this community. Let's help each other, mamas, because you need some mamas on your side. You know what I mean? All right, let's get into the tour. So welcome to Amelie's room. This is the entrance, the door. I have a frame that I found at a thrift store, and I just spray painted it hot pink. And I will link the Etsy shop in the description bar, where I got that laser cut name circle. So here's the room overall. I do want to focus on the feature wall, which is our graffiti component. It says hip hop graffiti. And guys, I'm going to link all of these products in the description box in case you want to do something similar. This wall is dedicated to my MCs and DJs. I painted these back in 2003. The red pieces are the MCs and the blue pieces are the DJs. You see the headphones and records there. Also have a flower wall that my late sister-in-law made. So we thought that would be a nice component to add to the baby's room. Here are my break dancers. These are watercolors that I found on Etsy. Again, they will be linked in the description box. I just love the capturing of those beautiful poses of the dancers. Just really adds to the theme of the room. This is a guitar painting that I did. I can't remember what year. Now, this closet door, I do have parts of the graffiti poster on the top and some gift bags on the bottom. I actually have a tutorial coming up where I'm going to show you how I did that. And here we have the world record clock, laser cut, world, the countries of the world laser cut there, and some embroidery hoops with classic hip hop logos on them. And I just love this poster of Khalees from her Kaleidoscope album. Just all the beautiful colors tie right into the room. And she's a biracial woman like my daughter. So I thought it would be great for her room. And guys, I also added these little record coasters, which were so cute. I just tied them with a little bit of twine right onto the baby's mobile. I just love them. They say keep it clean. So there you have it. There's the whole room. MCs, DJs, graffiti, breakers, artist highlights. I love how it came out. So I hope that you enjoyed the tour of my baby's nursery. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, I just cannot express to you how grateful I am to have you here. And please subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of my tribe. All right, thanks mamas. See ya.